Hello and welcome to Ash Notes. A bit late for the Happy New Year, but I'm wishing everyone a Happy New Year. Even though it's, coming towards the end of January, I think it is. I think it's the 19th or the 20th when this comes out. It'll be gone past then, but started the new year quite well with the flu, with a bit of food poisoning. My fault for getting the takeaway at the last minute. Well, lesson learned, don't ever start a new year with a takeaway. Out of action. Well, I hope you're all having a great new year. Great start to January so far. As today in Wales, the wonderful weather is wet and raining, as per bloody usual. But there we are. Do need to have a trim on the eyebrows there, but being out of action and then all of a sudden then coming back into work, it's been manic and maniac as usual. With stuff, also with some eBay packing stuff. In fact, I've done a few short clips. I'll insert them in now. Here's a short one for Ash Notes today. Someone has bought a Transit grill. Smiley Front Transit. Thank you, camera, for focusing. Sorry for the mess in the office, but obviously being away, being ill, and now I gotta wrap and box this. Yay! I don't like wrapping these up. You can't find a box big enough and you got to be careful, but it's all in good condition, so there's no marks. It's finished, ready for primer grey. Let me just move that around, as we can see there, because I got to take some pictures for wrapping. Ooh, get the camera in the right position. Dropped it. Here we are a little bit more later on, and we're still packing that Ford Transit front grille up. Yes, it is a big box, which I had to make, so I had to use 3 large boxes. Plus, I had to use some peanut packing pellets. I have to order some more peanut packet pellets to keep this safe. But more packing to come. Here we are, one completed article. One Ford Transit Smiley Front grille wrapped and packed. Sorry about the mess on the shelf there. But yep. One awkward, thank you camera for focusing, one awkward box, all done and dusted, on its way to Cornwall. Why do I agree to sell stuff? But there we are, joys of selling stuff. I hope it gets there in one piece now, not several. Yeah, packing a Ford Transit Smiley Front grille, and you've got to make a custom box. That cost me on the shipping going to Cornwall. I hope it gets there in one piece, not in 3 pieces, and the box gets there in 1 piece and not in 6 or 4 pieces, sorry, rather. Today, as you can see, a little woggy behind me there. Before I get soaking wet, I'm going to pump the tyre up on the car. I haven't used this in a while. So we're not going to do too much today because there's not much we can do with the weather. It's been terrible. And me being out of action and looking like I could do with another good 8 hours of sleep. But good news is, at least I got my pump back, which I'll pump up the tyre now. As you can see, I got the pump there as the tyre's gone flat. This car does need a service and a clean as well, but being that it won't show up on camera, I don't think. Focus camera, thank you. I'm running on a backup camera today because my S7 is finally soaring the new year by saying I'm out, where the screen decided to go nuts and everything else on the phone decided to shut down. So I'm now looking for a new phone, but that's the way things go. Yeah, still got the Nissan a bit. Obviously I've got to pump the tyres up. Obviously it's a bit wet, a bit dirty. Obviously you can see there, I really do need to wash the car, also give it a service as well. But all the other tyres sort of look okay, they all sort of up. But yeah, well, I hope you all having a good start to the new year. And everything else, I hope well, hello Woggy. Well, I'm going to pump the tyre up before it gets too wet, but we'll catch you again. We will catch you again on the next Ash Notes now, hopefully not too long, and everything else. Until then, here's Pump You Up. That's the other one. On the plus side, just a little bit of bonus footage, I did manage to find a phone holder. Yay! Be surprised what people don't want. Still good. Quick clean, quick wipe. Back into service. Yay! Yeah, and the radio still doesn't work either. But what can you do?